Okay, so I've got the system off my head here, and what I'm going to do, first off, you see that there is glue on this system like crazy. There's glue on my head. It's really sticky. Well, not super sticky, actually. It's really gooey. So what I'm gonna do is I'm simply gonna take this cotton and dab it on it. There, and you see how it kind of sticks to it. So let's put this back down here and go at it. And the cotton will stick to that really well. You don't want big globs of cotton on there. And there's a twofold reason for the cotton. You think, okay, why do you need to do that? Why not just put it in a dish with the C22 to let it soak? And the reason is, which we will see a little bit later, is that the C22 wets the cotton down, and so it keeps it moist and in place on the adhesive. And when you go to take it off, then the cotton kind of rolls up and takes the adhesive with it. So I'm gonna grab my C22. Okay, so I've got the cotton on there good. I'm gonna take the C22 and I am just gonna wet that down with the C22. I'm gonna hold it over the sink, turn it on to spray that stream. There we go. And I am just gonna spray it. With the C22, and it looks like that. It's all really, really damp. What I do, I don't know whether this is recommended or not by Super Hair Pieces, but I put this in a dish and I let it sit there until I get the chance to come back later to clean it up. It might be tomorrow, it may be 3 days from now, it may be 4 days from now, 5 days from now. Soaking in the C22 doesn't seem to hurt the system or the skin or anything about it. And so the longer it soaks, it seems the better it is, but you don't want to let it soak long enough that it dries out. So you want to get to it before the point that it dries out. Very gently, brushing, rubbing up, and that cotton begins to roll up. And sometimes then I go back with cotton again and dab it again to make sure it's clean. Most of the time it isn't. So I have to put more cotton on there and do that again. Requires just a little bit of patience, but doesn't really take that long. It's the part that I'm least patient about. That's the part I like the least, is cleaning up the previous system. But doing that step will make it as easy as it possibly can. System's off my head, soaking in 22, cotton's dabbed on it, and in a couple of days, it'll be great to clean up. I've got a system ready to go on my head right now, so 10 minutes from now, I'll have hair. Heads up, chin up, hair on, we're gonna do this. Have a good day, a great day, a glorious day, a joyful day. Smile, be happy, and make somebody else happy, because it'll make you happy too. Be good, guys. See you later.